I trust this historic film of great interest and significance of our Burma's most respected national hero, General Aung San, in national attire, and his would-be assassin of Panglong in Western dress in the same frame. This is in the Shan States of the having convention of the Festival of Shan Chiefs and distinguished guests, including diverse ethnic tribes of that area, and diverse ethnic tribes of that area, and ethnic tribes of that area, and these are from various tribes here, and these are from various tribes living in the Shan States, and these are from various tribes living in the Shan States in their national dress. They're having an arts and crafts and health exhibition with displays of Burmese pottery, farm produce, colorful native trees and full foliage, and this includes this is Shan Chief of the Chief Education Officer of the Shan States, Saw Simon. These are his counterparts of the Shan States government and officials of that area in their own national dress. These are the honor cards coming to the festival, and the Chief Sobwa is inspecting the cards. This is a photo opportunity, a group picture with guests and the host. This is another Burmese official, Indian dress, and army officers. And this is a Shan lady in the national dress. This is a map of the Shan States. This is the delegates coming to the convention, and the people are all in their own national dress. National dress. Part of the convention is a display of the health exhibits. People are singing in their guest book. This is a Burmese pottery making. a lady demonstrating how the pottery is made. These are the farm produce on display on the shelves. Villagers are taking interest in the Burmese lacquer, and on display and some of the paintings on the wall. These are tribal people enjoying the exhibits. This is the landscape of the Shan States. And this is the tusker, the elephant, domesticated elephant, a male elephant, near the convention center. These are the rice and paddy fields, which is not far from the convention. This is the landscape of the Shan States. And this is the tusker, the elephant, domesticated elephant, a male elephant, near the convention center. These are the rice and paddy fields, which is not far from the convention.